This next-generation Ninja coffee bar is more than a coffee maker. It's a coffee system, complete with a variety of brew types and sizes, a built-in frother, and tons of delicious coffee recipes you can create and enjoy at home. With 5 different richness settings, you've got endless options for deliciousness ahead of you. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Forte. Forte amplifies every nuance of your coffee for a more full-bodied, complex flavor from the brew. Number 2. Built-in frother. Transform your milk to a silky microfoam, perfect for specialty brews like lattes, and great for adding a tasty touch to your morning coffee, hot or cold. Number 3. 6 brew sizes. Whether it's a morning coffee or enough for friends and family, there's a way to brew it. From single serve to a carafe setting, there are 6 different brew sizes, so take your pick. Number 4. 10-cup glass carafe. Number 5. Built-in frother to brew. Froth and drink all in your favorite mug. Number 6. 20 recipe inspiration guide. Capacity: 60 ounces. Divided by 12 cup. Stainless steel mesh filter, ABS housing. Number 7. Ninja Smart Scoop. After brewing the first cup, the Ninja coffee bar is pre-warmed. This enables any following brews to be slightly hotter. For a hotter first cup, after plugging in and powering on your brewer, allow 3 minutes for your brewer to preheat. Number 8. Permanent reusable filter. This brewer is designed to brew coffee grounds only. Do not insert pods or K-cups. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.